Google Pixel 6a. The best Android phone 2022. Phones aren't as small as they used to be, but the Google Pixel 6 is about as compact an Android phone as you can get these days. This is one of the best things about it, along with its excellent performance, camera, and its affordable price. The Pixel 6 is Google's cheaper version of its October 2021 Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro phones. The 6 keeps some of those devices' more expensive features but ditches others to drive the price right down to a very palatable $449/£399/€459. A few corners have been cut, and there are other mid-range phones out there that offer higher specs, but having used the Pixel 6 daily as my main phone, I think it's one of the best phones you can buy for the money, and the Pixel most people should buy instead of the Pixel 6 or 6 Pro. Design and build. Two-tone color options. Plastic back easily scratches. Solid premium feel. IP67. If you don't like the look of the original Pixel 6, then you are out of luck with the 6a, which looks like someone clicked and dragged the top corner of it down in Photoshop and shrunk the whole thing a little. Screen and speakers. 6.1 inches AMOLED. Only 60 Hz refresh rate. Excellent color and brightness. Stereo speakers. The screen is a 6.1 inches AMOLED, putting this phone in the small phone camp, not actually small like phones used to be, but more compact than most modern Android slabs. Specs and performance. Same Tensor chip as Pixel 6. Superbly fast. 6 GB per 128 GB only. Where the Pixel 6's shine is in performance. That's because Google decided to cram its Tensor processor into it, the same chip used in the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. Paired with 6 GB RAM, the 6 absolutely flies through everything and is a mid-range phone with genuine flagship performance. It's the first time Google has opted to put the chip from its main phones into its series model the same generation, and it's worth the trade-off in other places, such as in the 60 Hz screen. Battery life and charging. Charges hot. Limited to 18W. No wireless charging. The Pixel 6 has excellent battery life but charges quite slowly at a maximum of 18W. I say maximum because there's no charger in the box, only a USB-C to C cable, so you'll have to buy a charging brick with a USB-C output, or use another charger. There's no wireless charging. The Pixel 6 and 6 Pro also ship without chargers but have a maximum speed of 30W. From empty, the 6 charges to 22% in 15 minutes, 42% in 30 minutes, and to 100% in 1 hour and 50 minutes. Cameras and video. 12.2 MP main camera. 12 MP ultrawide. Superb stills processing. While Google gave the Pixel 6 the Tensor chip from its premium phones, the same cannot be said of the camera. In fact, it's the first time an A-series Pixel is not getting the same main sensor as the corresponding regular Pixels, and that is a shame. The 50 MP sensor on the Pixel 6 is outstanding. Software and updates. Clean Android 12. 3 years of Android updates. 5 years of security updates. Google offers 5 years of security updates for the phone, so its final update will land in July 2027 in theory. There's only 3 years of Android platform updates though, so the 6 will only get those until July 2025, likely Android 15, as the 6 is launching with Android 12, not Android 13. Specs. Android 12. 6.1 inches 60 Hz gOLED display. Google Tensor chip. 6 GB RAM. 128 GB storage. Rear cameras. 12 MP IMX363 main lens with OIS. 12 MP IMX386 ultra-wide lens. 8 MP IMX355 selfie camera. 4,400 mAh battery. 18W wired charging. 5G. Stereo speakers. Wi-Fi 6. Bluetooth 5.2. NFC. IP67. Gorilla Glass 3 display. 71.8 by 152.16 by 8.85 millimeters. 178G.